Alright guys, it's Sunday stunt day, sumo day, whatever day you guys celebrate. I found the pack. Somebody's got hurt though. Oh, that's not good. I decided to ride the only stunt bike pretty much on this ride, and everybody else is riding supermotos. And this is the part where it gets sketchy. Shit. There we go. I ain't going in that. Shit! Oh, damn it! I got a lot of washing to do. A lot of washing. Holy shit. Alright, so I've crashed twice in the dirt. Oh my god, my gloves are... Oh my god. I don't know if I'm making it up that without crashing. I don't know!
That's awesome, man.
Yeah! Woo! Wow, I don't know which route's the easiest route, but we're just taking one. You gotta like stand on your pegs, I'm realizing. Oh my god! Hope I'm taking the easy way. I really hope. I don't know how I'm getting out. I don't know how I'm getting out. Is that an easier way? Go that way?
Yeah.